Wow. Look at all that. I remember what the wall used to look like. This is going to be fun. I'm probably just going to put the boards down here for now. And then I probably have to pull everything off the top and put the boards on top and then put everything on top of the boards. Should be fun. So I just got to figure out where I'm going to put this and this. And I'm going to deal with some stuff on the end over here, but I'm making progress. Hopefully I can get this done today. Alright, we got one shelf off. Then you get the rest of it off. And then I need to put these somewhere else. Can't just leave them here really, unless I'm just going to put it on here. But I think that these are not the same width as that. They might look a little funky. But that might be the easiest thing to do. I don't know. I just don't want to keep moving stuff around. Alright, we got 2 shelves down. Boy, it looks crazy looking. Nice. So I'm going to put this, I think, up here. And, yeah, so this is right here in this wall here is where the inverter's going to go. Probably going to have to make some more changes even still. But, yeah, and possibly even less radios out here just because, yeah, it's just not going to be easy. So I can only use one at a time for the most part anyway. Alright, we got that over there. Put it up there. So all the tuners are up here, the ones I don't use. I do use this one, but I'm not going to use ladder line for a while. It's interesting tuner to use, but it's a pain in the butt. See those ones down there. So I just got to figure out what to do with these sheets. So actually I think this one's going to hang over. That one won't hang over. I don't know. So if I clear this whole thing out, which could take me a little while more, but I can just put them up on top. So I just need to clean everything up. And then, yeah, I could probably actually just mount a bunch of inverters here. You know, realistically, have one radio over there instead of having them all like that. So a lot of stuff can't be here anymore. That's the problem, but it is what it is, because the 240 volts is down there. So I wish I had some more insulation so I could kind of finish this crap out too. Of course, another thing that could be kind of cool with this is you can still put another radio on top of these, or a monitor. So I definitely have the room to do that. So that's kind of interesting. And it sort of opens it up a little bit with a little less clutter. We just get the stuff out of here above that doesn't need to be here. There's actually an LED light strip here. So then I can actually reach things like the antenna switch that's back here that I have somewhat hooked up. So anyway, not 100% sure what I'm doing yet.